Yay, I look younger. Do you know dyeing your hair yourself is actually easy? All you need to do is you get your dye, that's the dye and what you use in mixing it. Then you get a small container, and then you get a glove, and then you get what you use in covering the hair after dyeing it. It can be something like this, or it can be a nylon. Then I'm going to have a comb too, so I mix the whole thing together after dyeing this thing on my hair. So now what you need to do first is to wear your glove, because most times the chemical used in mixing it is harsh. So you wear your glove, and then you get your dye. You pour the dye first inside the container before adding the mixture. So yes, the both of them go together. So you pour the both inside a container, then you mix, and then you apply to your hair. So know the exact amount you need, so you don't end up wasting it, or you don't end up adding too much or too little, so it will actually come out well. So this is something you can actually do yourself. This is something you can do at your own comfort zone, instead of going outside to pay people to do for you. Yeah, if you feel like you can still go out to pay people to do for you, but once a while you can actually try it yourself. So you make sure you rub the thing everywhere, rub the dye everywhere, make sure it goes round. If you're not sure if you're going to get everywhere, like if you're not sure your hand is going to reach everywhere, or you're not sure you're going to see what you're going to be doing, you can actually use a mirror. You can place a mirror in front of you, so you actually see what you're doing. So make sure you rub the dye everywhere, so you don't miss some places. So at the end of the day, the thing comes out like it was a professional that did it. So yeah, this is an easy video of how to dye your hair yourself. So don't forget to share this with your friends also that are always dyeing their hair, or people that are always going outside to look for who would dye their hair for them. So don't forget to share this with them so they don't miss out on it. So after rubbing it with your hand, after applying it to your head with your hand, you can actually use your comb to make sure it goes inside. The dye goes inside your hair, so it's not just the top that you dye both inside and outside. And or if you don't want to use the comb, you can actually use your finger to do that. Just crush your hair and make sure it goes inside very well. Then after that, you just cover and you wait for like 20 to 30 minutes, or you can wait for, 30 minutes is enough. You wait for 20 to 30 minutes. So 30 minutes is enough. So after waiting for like 30 minutes, once it's 30 minutes, you just wash it off, and that's all. Your face will come out different, and your hair will be well dyed. So don't forget to use this method. It is very easy, it is simple, and you can do it yourself. So yeah, this is me washing my hair, washing the dye away, and you're going to see my look after the whole thing. Anyways, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Your comment is very important, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Let us know what you think about this in the comment section. Let us know if there are other ways, or if there's any other way that is easier than this. I would love to know, because I'm always dyeing my hair. So let us know if there's another way that is easier than this to dye your hair. Thank you. Have an amazing day. Bye.
I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession. I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex. Haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Oh, tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the take.